up, guys? Welcome back. You may remember me, or remember this car I did back for my 1,000 subscriber special, and there was an oopsie on the road. I got T-boned, so you can kind of see the extent of the damage here. Yeah, we got it pretty mangled up. Nobody was injured. My father happened to be in the car. He was on the side of impact. He's okay. Yeah, this one's a goner. Got a little puncture in the tire here. I mean, yeah, insurance company's gonna say total loss, but it kept me safe. Driver's side is actually in decent shape. You can see the airbags went off here. Yeah, kept it safe, so that's always good. Down here, there's a lot of crap in the car. There's another airbag off here. This thing's got more airbags than I thought it did, so good job, Acura. Glove box is kind of jammed. Fit and finish is 0 out of 10, I'm afraid. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna have to get another car at some point soon. I gotta see what the insurance company says, but I may be getting a new whip, which means another video. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, just wanted to show you how my day is going. Anyway, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.